welcome to the mix. And on the mix, we have Dwayne. Dwayne speaks mental health and how it affects others or people in general. He also spoke about the 15-year-old who allegedly destroyed his mom's house since he had mental health issues as well. And Dwayne also spoke about his family, that they're closely knitted, so they have each other's back no matter what. So go ahead and go join, like, share, comment, and subscribe to the channel. This is another one.
I could imagine Aruna, the mother says he's mentally challenged, and she's been
because you never know who's your friend
for 15 years. Listen, another 15 won't harm you, girl. Another 15 won't harm you. Until you can't take it, then he becomes a fully fledged adult. Then you can put him in one of them kind of homes if you choose to. But I think it's your responsibility. It's your child. It's your child, so you should do the best you can do by him, because we all know the kid has mental Lord Jesus, the kid has mental instability. So clearly, that's your burden to bear. That's your burden to bear, not the public, not society on the whole. It's like if my mom had a mentally challenged child, I'm very sure my mother would stick by her. One thing in my family, I'm so family oriented. All of my family, we stick to each other like glue. No matter what the circumstances are, we stick it out. I promise you, we stick it out. 1 second.
I need to check your video. I sent you the video of the mom speaking. You can play that on your live.
Oh, you sent me the video of the mom speaking?
Hmm?
Where'd you get that video from?
It's somebody sent it to me on WhatsApp.
Oh.
You can just play it.
No, I just posted because I'm the hand I'm using to hold the phone right now is the only hand I can. Lord God, chang up on me to backside. She bright, she bright, bud. She bright. What did Catania says? How him know for mash up the place because them take away the talk truth though. Listen, you see kids nowadays, they feel too entitled. You see me when I was growing up, and I'm very sure it's the same thing for a lot of you when you was growing up. All we did have was coloring book and crayons. If I'm telling a lie, tell me I'm lying. A lot of us only had crayons and coloring books. And when Nintendo come out, we get like a Nintendo. But all of these gadgets these kids have nowadays, we never had it. We never had it. And I don't care what no one says. We never had them kind of gadgets. I don't trust him. Why does someone didn't call the mom right away? That someone, yeah, it's not a good person. They're just wicked. Listen, I feel like they just wanted to cause confusion to the mother and bring disgrace onto the kid. Like the kid is mentally challenged. Like clearly, if someone